Hello everyone, how are you doing? So today we're going to learn how you as an Harness user can create a Harness pipeline in your own project, but still give access to execute the same pipeline to everyone inside your organization or everyone inside your account without having to add everyone one by one. My name is Himanshu Mishra. I'm the product manager for our internal developer portal module, and I'm joined by.
Hey, I'm Deba. I'm the DevRel engineer for the IDP module at Harness.
And we'll show you how to do this in a minute. But before we do it, let's understand why would you want to do it. One of the reasons why would you want to do it is, let's say you're creating a onboarding pipeline, something like a service onboarding pipeline or a repository onboarding pipeline, where you want to preserve the access to edit the pipeline and all the admin related things, but you still want anyone in your company or anyone in your organization to be able to execute it and get themselves onboarded or get themselves a new service created. So let's see how we can do it. So I'll share my screen and I'll show you one project. So this is my project inside the default organization. This is where I will create a pipeline. Let's call it onboarding pipeline. Let's call it a service onboarding pipeline. And ideally, I would use an IDP stage, and I would create a repository, and I would run cookie cutter and register in the catalog, all of those good things. For this purpose of the demo, I'm going to execute a shell script. But I have a pipeline that I've just created called service onboarding. Now, I am an account admin on this account. As you can see it here under access control. I am an account admin. However, you can see I have added Deba here as a user. I have not given him any special permissions here. So Deba, can we take a look at, are you able to see the project and are you able to see the pipeline inside the project?
So if you could see my screen, I'm already in the project page or project overview page. I go to pipelines. Yeah, this is the service onboarding pipeline that I could see, and I could view the pipeline, but that's it. That's it. All I could do. I don't have any other permissions here.
Can you edit this pipeline? Can you run this pipeline?
No.
Answer would be no. Yes. Awesome. This is what I want. I want you to be able to execute the pipeline, but not be able to edit, delete, or anything else, right? So now let me do that without having to do it one by one to everyone in the account. So one very easy way to do this is I go to my project, and I go to my project settings. I go to access control, and I add you as a user. But this is not the right way to do it, because my account might have 1,000, 10,000 users, and users may join and leave, and that's not the right way to do it. The very interesting way to do this is you go to user groups for your project settings, right? So as you can see, the user group inside this project is all project users. This is a default user group that gets created. But when you go to user group settings inside your project, you click on assign roles, and then you click on select user groups. This is where you get to see the special user groups that Harness creates by default. For example, here you're seeing all account users. For your organization of this project, you're seeing all organization users. So let's say if you want to give everyone in the account, anyone who gets added to the account, the ability to execute your pipeline, all you need to do is select the all account users, hit apply. This user group will continue to be updated anytime a user is added. So it's providing access to everyone. And in the role bindings, choose the pipeline executor role and provided access to all the project resources. So this will give everyone in the account the ability to execute pipelines inside your project. Hit apply, and you're able to see that. So now that I have assigned this role, so let's hit refresh and see what permissions you have, Deba.
Yeah, so we hit refresh now, and yeah, I have the run permission. And if I go and try to edit, then as expected, I'm not able to edit it. I just have the run permission.
Amazing. And this is what I wanted. Any user added in the account to be able to execute pipelines in my project. So this is what we wanted to show, how you as an account admin or anyone in the account can create a pipeline inside your own project and allow anyone in the account to be able to execute that pipeline without having to individually add everyone one by one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.